Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In the previous classes, we have already studied the theory part of relative stability and we have also solved one numerical related to relative stability. In this class, we are going to solve second numerical related to relative stability. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. And if you want to see the previous videos, you can check them in the description box below or you can go to the channel playlist. So the question number 2 is the open loop transfer function of unity feedback control system is g of s is equal to k divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 3. Calculate the value of k such that the setting time of second order underdamped control system is 12 seconds. So here in this question we have to find out the value of k and the setting time of second order underdamped system is given, which is equal to 12 seconds. We know that on 2% tolerance basis, the setting time of second order control system is given by 4 upon zeta omega n. And here setting time is given 12 seconds. Therefore, 12 will be equal to 4 upon zeta omega n. So from this equation, we will get zeta omega n is equal to 1 by 3. We know that the real part of roots of characteristic equation s is equal to minus of zeta omega n. So when we put the value of zeta omega n here, we will get s is equal to minus of 1 by 3. So this is the real part of roots of characteristic equation. Now if we draw the pole zero plot of this open loop transfer function g of s into h of s is equal to k divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 3, then we will get one pole at s is equal to 0, one pole at s is equal to minus 1 and one pole at s is equal to minus 3. Now if we draw our new axis at s is equal to minus 1 by 3 like this, we can see that this system becomes marginally stable. Now we will assume s is equal to z minus 1 by 3. If we put z is equal to 0 in this equation, we will get s is equal to minus 1 by 3. That means the origin of this new z plane lie at s is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, now we will find out the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation formula is 1 plus g of s into h of s is equal to 0, and here it is a unity feedback control system, therefore hs will be equal to 1. So after putting the equation of g of s into h of s, we will get 1 plus k divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 3 is equal to 0. So from this equation we will get s into s plus 1 into s plus 3 plus k is equal to 0. So when we solve this equation, we will get s cube plus 4s square plus 3s plus k is equal to 0. Now in this characteristic equation, we will put s is equal to z minus 1 by 3. So we will get z minus 1 by 3 whole cube plus 4 into z minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 3 into z minus 1 by 3 plus k is equal to 0. So when we apply the formula of z minus 1 by 3 whole cube and z minus 1 by 3 whole square and simplify this equation, we will get this type of equation: z cube plus 3z square plus 2 by 3 z plus k minus 16 by 27 is equal to 0. So this is our new characteristic equation. Now using this new characteristic equation, we will construct the Routh array. So to construct the Routh array, first we will find the coefficient from this characteristic equation. First coefficient will be a0, then a1, then a2, and last will be a3. Okay, so in this Routh array, first we have to write the highest power of z. So highest power of z is z cube, then z square, then z to the power 1, and last is z to the power 0. Okay, so to construct the z to the power 3 row, we have to take all the even coefficients, that is a0 and a2. So here a0 is 1 and a2 is 2 by 3. Now to construct the z to the power 2 row, we have to take odd coefficients, that is a1 and a3. a1 is 3 here and a3 is k minus 16 by 27. Now we will construct z to the power 1 row using this z to the power 3 and z to the power 2 row. So the first term of this z to the power 1 row will be 3 into 2 by 3 will be equal to 2 minus 1 into this value, that means minus of k plus 16 by 27 divided by 3. So the first term will be equal to 70 divided by 27 minus k divided by 3 we are getting, and next term will be equal to 0, and the first term of this to the power 0 row will be k minus 16 by 27. Since this system is a marginally stable system, we have to make one of the row of this Routh array as row of zeros. So we cannot make this z to the power 0 row as row of zeros. So we will make this z to the power 1 row as row of zeros. For this we will keep this value equal to 0. That means 70 divided by 27 minus k divided by 3 is equal to 0 we will keep. Then we will get from this equation k is equal to 70 by 27. So this is the value of k we are getting, which is equal to 70 by 27. So with this we have completed the stability chapter of the control system. So hope you have understood the numerical. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.